Let us understand the step-by-step process of sending ledger confirmation in Strategic ERP. Ledger confirmation can be sent to a client or vendor either through automated mail or via manual entry. In case of an automated ledger confirmation mail, navigate to the vendor registration form under the Accounts Payable module. Click on the Contact Details tab. Enter contact details such as contact person name, address, phone number, and email ID. This mail ID will be used for auto ledger confirmation used. Check the auto ledger confirmation checkbox. This enables the system to automatically send ledger confirmations to the vendor. Select the frequency at which you want to send the ledger confirmation. Further, navigate to the ledger confirmation form under the Finance Management module. Select the company name and the start date from which ledger confirmations should be sent. Select the ledger name from the drop-down. You can view the financial details of the selected client under the ledger summary. Select the designation and email ID. Data will be fetched from vendor registration form. You can also add CC and BCC email IDs to include additional recipients. Once done, click on Save. The system will automatically send ledger confirmations to the respective vendor at the frequency selected in the vendor registration form. For creating a manual entry of ledger confirmation, selection of auto ledger confirmation in the vendor registration form is not required. Directly navigate to the ledger confirmation form under the Finance Management module. Select the date and name of company. Select the start date, end date and ledger name from the drop-down. Select the designation and to email ID. Data will be fetched from vendor registration form Contact Details tab. Once done, click on Save. You can now print the ledger confirmation directly in your preferred PDF format and send to party via your desired mode, courier or email. The process of sending ledger confirmation to a vendor is now complete.